Lakas ng ulan.
Okay na?
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy anniversary,
Che!
JK!
Yo, yo, yo! Gano'n ba sila katagal?
4 years?
4 years. So, happy 4th anniversary sa inyong dalawa. I wish you all the best and it's really a good thing that you have each other para magtulungan kayo and you bring out the best in each one. So, sana lang you stay stronger. You stay stronger, yeah. You stay strong with every problems that comes along and I love you both. Thanks for everything.
And, sabi niyo na medyo lahat. Pero yan, kung magkaroon man kayo ng problema, dito lang kami. And, happy anniversary!
Yo.
Team South, bebe!
Naulan pa dito, and JK ha. Blessing to the Lord sa anniversary.